Are you new to growing garlic, or are you a seasoned garlic planter? Either way, this quick video is for you. We are going to talk about garlic and this process called vernalization. It is a must for garlic to grow to its full potential. So what does garlic need in order to grow to its full potential? It needs a good, well-draining, rich, nutritious soil. Absolute must. Gotta have that. Now, besides that, what does it need? Well, I've been growing garlic, y'all, for 4 years now. This will be my 5th year growing garlic. And I just learned of this process called vernalization. And I'm putting the definition of it up right here. But to make this really simple, garlic needs a period of cold weather to germinate its bulbs and to get it to start growing to its fullest potential. Now, like I said, I've grown garlic for 4 years, and I've had big garlics and I've had small garlics. I've never had garlic growing as fast as the garlic is growing right now, and I just planted my garlic 10 days ago. Check this out. All right, y'all, look at the heads coming up. This is insane to me. So how did I get my garlic growing like this? Well, I live in the South, in zone 9A. So everyone watching this video in the South, we don't have real winters down here, y'all. We might get, in my area, we might get 2 to 3 days of below zero, and that's it. So garlic needs that period to get cold. Soft neck garlic needs around 40 days of cold weather to do the vernalization. And how do you do that in the South when we don't get cold for that long? Well, we put them in the fridge. So 7 weeks ago, I got my garlic from Baker Creek. I put them in the fridge and I pulled them out, like I told you all, 10 days ago, got them planted. And they're starting to grow like crazy. Soft neck garlics, which primarily grown in the South, they need about 40 days. So that's about 5 weeks. Put them in the fridge, the coldest part of your fridge, and when they're ready, pull them out and get them planted. You're up in the northern states where you get actual winters, your garlic goes through this vernalization process naturally because you all get really cold weather up there for long extended periods of time. So if you're in the north, you don't even need to worry about this. Just plant your hard neck garlic, which is primarily grown in the north, 3 to 4 inches deep, and just sit back and just wait for them to grow. So you don't need to worry about this process up north. This is for the southern garlic growers like me. Try this process, y'all. It is going to work. Again, it's called vernalization. Garlic needs it. This was your Tuesday growing tip of the week. If y'all enjoyed this video, got anything out of it, learned anything, do me the 3 favors: share, like, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. Y'all take care, God bless, continue to shine bright, harvest hard, and I'll talk to y'all again real soon.